السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. آمين يا رب العالمين. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. I welcome all of you to the new session today. So, in the last session, we discussed about badal, and I hope the concept of badal is clear to everyone. So let me just repeat this. Uh, so, so we have al baytu jadidun means the house is new, and likewise we have studied hada jadidun means this is new. But what if we want to say this house or this book or this pen is new? So for that, this house or this pen, or this book, we use hadal baytu, which means a definite noun right after ismul ishara. A definite noun right after ismul ishara is called badal or substitute, and this is translated as this house. So if you want to say this house is new, or this pen is new, or this mosque is new, so you say hadal baytu, hadal qalamu, or hadal masjidu jadidun, and likewise. And we studied about its properties. So first thing is any ma'rifa, any definite noun after badal is after ismul ishara is called badal, and the badal this is called badal, and this is called mubdal minhu that we discussed. And there are some qualities like this badal will follow the mubdal minhu in four things. What were those four things? Anyone? It follows the mubdal minhu in four aspects. Anyone remembers what were the four aspects?
Capacity, Arab,
Yes. And
and muscular or feminine,
gender.
and
And
gender,
gender. Yeah.
and the number.
Yes. Barakallah. I've got answers in the chat as well. So yes, it's correct. It follows mubdal minhu in four things. If it is masculine, this is also masculine. If it is singular, this is going to be singular. If it is marfu, this is also going to be marfu. And if this is feminine or masculine, so this is also going to be feminine, which means it follows the mubdal minhu. The badal follows its mubdal minhu in four aspects: gender, number, and capacity, and era. Okay, we have studied that. So yeah, so we're doing the book. Let's start from where we left last time. Okay. There was quite a lot of exercise that we had to finish. So I guess we have done the first one. Please stop the screen annotation. Okay, okay, fine. Then let's start from here. Iqra waqtu. So the first thing, let me do this. هذا الولد خالد وذلك الولد محمد. This boy is Khalid and that boy is Muhammad. It's easy. هذا is مبتدا Al-waladu is badal here. Why is it al-waladu? Because it is badal, and since hadha is mubtada and it is marfu, so al-waladu is going to be marfu. Again, hadha was singular, so al-waladu is singular. Hadha was masculine, so al-waladu is masculine. Yeah, so it follows the mubdal minhu. The badal follows its mubdal minhu in four aspects: i'rab, marfu, marfu; gender, masculine, so it's masculine; capacity, it is ma'rifa, so it is also ma'rifa; and gender, and number, it's singular, so it's also singular. And Khalidun is khabar. Similarly, waw is harfu atf, dhalika is mubtada, al-waladu is badal, and Muhammadun is khabar. So basically, if you have a definite noun right after ismul ishara, then that is going to be badal. Okay, moving on. Next is it's easy. So let me ask Nizam. Sorry, Junaid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam. I hope I'm taking your name correctly now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second one, please.
هذا الرجل مدرس وذلك الرجل مهندس.
Yes.
This man is an engineer. This man is a teacher, and that man is an engineer. So هذا is مبتدا. الرجل is بدل.
Yes.
مدرس is خبر. واو is حرف عطف. ذلك is مبتدا. الرجل is بدل. مهندس is خبر.
Okay. Next one, brother Zia.
هذا الكتاب جديد
Yes.
وذلك كتاب قديم
ذلك
وذلك الكتاب هذا مبتدا الكتاب is خبر
no.
الكتاب is بدل
Yes.
جديد is خبر
Yes.
is حرف عطف ذلك is مبتدا الكتاب is بدل قديم is خبر.
Yes. Barakallah. It's easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If it is easy, then do the next one as well.
Okay. هذه السيارة هذه سيارة ل- ل- لعلي لعلي
لعلي علي.
لعلي وتلك لخالد. This car is of Ali and
Belongs to
that
Ali. This
okay
car is for Ali or belongs to Ali.
okay of does not fit here.
No. Li is a harf jar, which is why you have aliyin. And li means for or belongs to. Something is for you or belongs to. It's not a
Okay,
case of possession.
okay. So هذه is مبتدا. السيارة is بدل.
Yes.
لي is حرف جر.
Yes.
علي is uh, what is
Aliyin.
sorry
Aliyin is majroor.
اسم مجرور.
Lam is harf jar, right? Li is harf jar, we discussed. Li is
Yeah,
another harf jar. And it makes the noun following it as majroor. So li aliyin. So
okay.
aliyin. Majroor. So this is shibu jumla khabar.
Okay. علي اسم مجرور. لعلي is شبه جملة خبر.
Yes.
وإس حرف عطف. تلك is مبتدا. لي is again حرف جر and خالد is uh, اسم مجرور.
And
لخالد is لخالد
shibu.
is شبه جملة خبر.
So notice one thing here, that it was hadhihi, which is why in the badal you have a sayyara. Because it was sayyaratu, you have hadhihi. So both ways. So you see, it is muannas. So badal is also muannas. It is singular. So it is singular, it is marfu, it's marfu. And what else? We have discussed i'rab, gender, number, and capacity. So it's ma'rifa because mubtada is ma'rifa, and a sayyaratu is again ma'rifa because it is badal. So you have a definite noun after ismul ishara, it's badal. So in the next sentence, and li aliin is again harf jar majrur, jarun wa majrurun, shubu jumla khabar. Wow is harfat. Tilka li khalidin. Here you don't have badal, so you see both makes sense. If you're pointing towards a car and you're not mentioning a car, you're simply saying this belongs to Ali, so it is understood for the audience, right? So similar, likewise in the next example, they have skipped the badal, so it can come or it cannot come. It depends on the sentence. So why we are saying badal is because it can come in place of this or it can be skipped as well. Okay. Next one. Let me do it. هذا الباب مفتوح وذلك الباب مغلق. Simple. هذا is مبتدا, الباب is بدل, and مفتوح is خبر. This door is open. واو is حرف. ذلك الباب مغلق, and that door is closed. So you have هذا مبتدا, الباب بدل, مفتوح خبر, وذلك مبتدا, واو is حرف, ذلك مبتدا, الباب بدل, مغلق is خبر. So you have mubtada and khabar, and in between you have al-ba'bu, which is nothing but your badal. Moving on. Who do we have? Farhan, are you there? No problem. Oh, yes. Abdullah, yes, there you are. Abdullah, can you hear me?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Number 8.
Yes.
जी.
No,
هذا
number 6. Number 6.
لمن هذه الساعة؟
Hmm.
هي لعباس. This watch belongs to whom?
Yeah. To whom does this watch belong to? Okay.
जी.
Anyway. Understood.
Here لعباس. It belongs to Abbas.
Okay.
जी. لي حرف جر. من مضاف إليه.
For now, we will skip this, the question marks,
Okay.
because we'll analyze the question marks in later point of time. So just tell me what is asa'atu here.
هذه الساعة is بدل.
Yeah, because it's coming after ismul ishara, you have a definite noun, ma'rifa, so it's badal.
जी.
Please analyze this.
هي is مبتدا ضمير منفصل مبني على السكون دي في محل رفع.
Yes.
لي is حرف جر.
Yeah.
عباس is مجرور إليه مضاف مجرور ولا اسم مجرور وعلامة جره الكسرة. لعباس all together is خبر.
جارun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Shibu jumla khabar.
شبه جملة خبر.
Yeah, barakallahu feek. Do the next one as well, please.
هذا البيت للطبيب لا هو للمدرس. Does this house belong to the doctor?
Yeah.
No, it belongs to the teacher.
Okay.
البيت here is بدل for هذا.
Yeah, no, yes, correct.
जी. لي is حرف جر. الطبيب is مجرور وعلامة جره الكسرة. لا هو للمدرس. لا is حرف نافية.
حرف جواب here.
حرف جواب. هو is مبتدا and it is also ضمير منفصل مبني على الفتح في محل رفع. للمدرس لي is حرف جر. المدرس is مجرور وعلامة جره الكسرة للمدرس all together is شبه جملة and then it is خبر.
Barakallahu Fik, Jazakumullah khair. So you have mentioned Barakallahu Fik, the extra points. So we will discuss. For some of you, it may be like it may be confusing, like what he has said. Alamatu jarri, so it's the actual one which he has said. But anyway, we are going to do that inshallah when we are pro at Arabic. So we'll do that in book 2 or book 3, like that. So, Barakallahu Fik. But it's correct. So in simple terms, it's like harfu jawab, huwa mubtada, and lil madrasi jar majrur shibh majrur. Next is hadhihi darajatu libnil muadhdhini. hadhihi darajatu libnil muadhdhini. Is this cycle belongs to the son of the muadhdhin? Darajatu here is badal because you have a definite noun ma'rifa right after ismul ishara. Then you have harf jar li, and as I said, ibnun ismun has hamzatul wasl which gets dropped when it's preceded by a word. So libnil, while reading will say libnil muadhdhini. So since ibni here is mudaf, and because of li it's ibni, it's majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and al muadhdhini is mudaf ilayhi. So the answer is simply naam, yes. Here you see mubtada and khabar both are hidden, which means it's understood that the answer to this question is naam. هذه الدراجة لابن المؤذن. Instead of mentioning that, he just skipped it. So we can do that in our sentences as well. Similarly, for this question, the reply could be yes or no. And if you want to add few more information, which is kind of repetitive, which is why we are saying لا هو للمدرس or نعم هذه الدراجة لابن المؤذن. Both make sense. Here, مبتدا and khabar both are hidden or dropped. Then moving on, man hadal waladu. Who is this boy? Man hadal waladu. Who is this boy? Huwa talibun min al-Iraq. Huwa talibun min al-Iraqi. So huwa is mubtada, talibun is khabar. So your sentence is complete here. So min al-Iraqi is jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla. Now, can we say it as khabar? We can, but anyway your khabar is complete, so it's extra information. So you can say it as khabar number 2, or the actual word or the correct word is it's muta'alliqun li hadal jumla, meaning this is somehow connected to this sentence. So since you have mubtada here, huwa is mubtada and talibun is khabar, he is a student, your sentence is complete. Now there is extra information that min al-Iraqi, which is nothing but it's attached to this sentence. So we'll say talibun is khabar, and this harfu jar and shibu jumla both combined are called muta'alliq. Muta'alliq. Muta'alliq means connected to, or it has some relation to or connection to the previous sentence. So you can say for your understanding it's kind of second khabar, but since we only have one mubtada and one khabar, so this is extra information. You can either say it as khabar number 2, or you can say it as muta'alliq. Okay. Moving on. أذلك البيت جديد. أذلك البيت جديد. Is that house, that boy, this cycle, this boy, this cycle, this house. So أذلك البيت, is that house new? Answer is لا. هو قديم جدا. No, it's very old. It's very old. So لا is حرف جواب. هو is مبتدا. قديم is خبر. And جدا is again used مطلقا. مطلقا means ad hoc basis. So it does not have any place in i'rab. So we say la is harf jawab, huwa is mubtada, qadimun is khabar. That's it. Our sentence is complete. Now jiddan is used mutlaqan to magnify something, which is it's a lot or too much or something like that. So jiddan is harf which does not have any place in i'rab. So huwa is mubtada, qadimun is khabar, and jiddan is used as mutlaqan. It comes like jiddan is always used as jiddan. Similarly, you have aidan. Aidan means also. Okay, now Junaid, I don't see many brothers here. So we have Farid. Brother, can you please do the next sentence? Farid.
السلام عليكم.
Salam.
هذه السيارة من اليابان
Yes.
وتلك من سويسرا.
Visra.
هذه
What?
is
No. First of all, translate this sentence.
okay. This car is
Yes.
from Japan,
Yes.
and that is from
Swisra. Swisra meaning Switzerland. So in
Switzerland.
English, yeah, we say Swisra. Okay. Yeah. Now analyze this, please.
هذه is مبتدا.
Yes.
السيارة is بدل.
Yes.
من is the preposition.
Harfu jar. Yes.
حرف جر.
Yeah.
And يابان اليابان
Is majroor because you have this harf jar makes the noun following it as majroor. So min is harf jar, al yabanis is majroor, and these two combined here is called shibu jumla khabar. Shibu jumla khabar. It's a phrasal sentence phrase. So min al yabani, from Japan. So this entire thing is called shibu jumla khabar. Okay.
and wa is harf jar.
Harf atf particle of interjection. Yeah.
Okay. Tilka is mubtada.
Yes.
Min is harf jar.
Yes.
Suvisra is
Is majroor.
majroor.
And these two combined are called shibu jumla khabar.
Okay.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
talk about Swisra, Inkaltara, Mustashfa, Amrika, likewise. So any noun ending with this long vowel sign, long vowel, which is alif, waw, or ya. So any noun ending with this long vowel does not change. Okay. So which is why you have Swisra and not Swisri, or Inkaltara and Amriki or something like that. You don't find it because Amrika, Swisra, Inkaltara, Almania, all of these are foreign names which are not Arabic names. So they are not called Alamul Arabi, meaning Arabic names. So any any names which are not Arabic, any name which is not Arabic does not change, or change does not change. For now, just consider that this will not change. So since alif cannot have any haraka on it, which is why it is somehow like that. It does not change. You can say it as mabni for now because it's ending with alif. You don't have a haraka on it. So min suisra is harf jar is majrur, and this to combine shibu jumla khabar. Okay. Similarly, next one is hada sikinu. Sikin meaning knife. Sikinu means knife. Min Almania, not min Almania. Almania meaning Germany. Germany is called Almania. وَتِلْكَ الْمِلْعَقَةُ مِنْ إِنْكَلْتَرَّا, and that spoon is from England. So هذا is مبتدا. السكين is badal. Min is harf jar. Almania is majroor. Since it's ending with long vowel alif, it does not have a haraka on it, and moreover it's a non-Arabic proper name. It's a non-Arabic proper name, so that will not change. We'll talk about this in detail inshallah. So for now, just consider that any noun ending with this long vowel sign, alif, which will not take any haraka. Okay. So هذا السكين من ألمانيا. من ألمانيا. This knife is from Germany. وتلك الملعقة من إنجلترا. And that spoon is from England. هذا مبتدا. السكين بدل. من حرف جر. ألمانيا اسم مجرور. شبه جملة خبر. واو حرف عطف. تلك مبتدا. الملعقة خبر. من is حرف جر. sorry. الملعقة is بدل. من is حرف جر. إنجلترا is اسم مجرور. جار ومجرور. شبه جملة خبر. Okay. I hope my voice is clear now. Maybe I was not speaking close to the mic, so sorry. Okay. This one. هذا السكين من ألمانيا. This knife is from Germany. Almania is the name of Germany in Arabic. وتلك الملعقة من إنجلترا. And that spoon is from England. Inkaltara is for England. Similarly, Swisera is for Switzerland. So you have strange names in Arabic for the countries. So هذا السكين. هذا is مبتدا. السكين is badal because it follows. You have a definite noun after ismul ishara, so it's going to be badal, and it follows the mubdal minhu in 4 aspects. First is the number, the singular. Second is the capacity, marifa. Third is the gender, so masculine, so it's also masculine, mudakkar. And then finally the i'rab is marfu because mubtada is always marfu, so as-sikinu is also marfu. Then min is harf jar, almania is ism majrur. These two are called shibu jumla khabar. Since you have a long vowel sign at alif at the end, and it's a non-Arabic proper name, so it doesn't change. So you don't have a haraka on alif. Similarly, Swissa. Similarly, Inkaltara. And tilka is mubtada, al-milaqatu is badal, min is harf jar, Inkaltara is ism majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Okay, is it clear now? Okay. Moving on, you have اقرأ المثال الآتي ثم حول الجمل الآتية مثله. بارك الله فيك. اقرأ المثال. Read the examples. الآتي, following example. ثم حول, then change the sentences following it likewise. So how do we do this? They have mentioned an example like هذا كتاب, this is a book. You need to change it like هذا الكتاب لمحمد. This book belongs to Muhammad. This is the misal that they have given, the example. هذا كتاب, هذا مبتدا, كتاب خبر. Okay, this is a book. And if you want to say this book belongs to someone or Muhammad, so you say هذا الكتاب لمحمد. This book belongs to Muhammad. هذا is مبتدا. الكتاب is badal. li lam is harf jar here. Muhammadin is majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. Okay, it's easy. Now it's time for everyone to get active in the chat. It's for everyone. First one, hada tabibun. You need to make the sentences like this. Let me do the first one, then you'll do the next one. Hada tabibun. Hada tabibu min al Hindi. This doctor is from India. This is a doctor. Hada tabibu min al Hindi. This doctor is from India. Next one. Hadihi sayyaratun. This is a car. How do we make the sentence? هذه السيارة للمدير. هذه السيارة للمدير. Okay, you just need to change it, make it as badal, simple. هذه السيارة للمدير. Okay, هذه السيارة للمدير. هذه سيارة. هذه سيارة. Not سيارتي Junaid, because it's badal, right? السيارة.
Okay, then.
هذه السيارة, because it follows mubtada, because هذه is mubtada here. in Arab. So it's not going to be a sayyarati because this is marfu. So this is also marfu. So هذه السيارة للمدير. Next is ذلك ولد. That is a boy. So we need to make it as badal. ذلك الولد. Okay. ذلك الولد. ذلك الولد ابن المدرس. ذلك الولد and it will be assimilated to the next one. So ذلك الولد ابن المدرس. Okay. That boy is the son of the teacher. Okay. I don't need to analyze, right? So it's clear. هذا مبتدا الكتاب بدل لي هرجر محمد اسم مجرور. Likewise. تلك ساعة. تلك ساعة. That is a watch. تلك الساعة. That watch is from Switzerland. تلك الساعة من سويسرا. من سويسرا. That watch is from Switzerland. Swiss watches. Okay. هذا. Okay, it's clear. تلك الساعة من سويسرا. Next is هذا بيت. هذا بيت. This is a house. This house belongs to the engineer. This house belongs to the engineer. So we need to make it like هذا البيت للمهندس. هذا البيت للمهندس. Not muhandisu. Muhandisi. Not muhandisin as well. Because you have alif lam, right? Li al muhandisi. Li al muhandisi. So what would it would be lil muhandisi. Okay. Not muhandisun or muhandisin. Muhandisi. هذا البيت للمهندس. I saw some wrong answer, so I just pointed it out. هذا البيت للمهندس. هذا قلم. This is a pen. So هذا القلم لعباس. This pen belongs to Abbas. هذا القلم لعباس. هذا القلم لعباس. This pen belongs to Abbas. Next is ذلك رجل. That is a man. So we say ذلك الرجل مؤذن. That man is مؤذن. ذلك الرجل مؤذن. مؤذن. Because it's khabar. Khabar is mostly nakira. So ذلك الرجل مؤذن. That man is مؤذن. Is a مؤذن. هذه بيضة. This is an egg. بيضة means egg. Okay. هذه بيضة. هذه البيضة. هذه البيضة كبيرة. This egg is big. This egg is big. So هذه البيضة كبيرة. Okay. هذه البيضة كبيرة. Next is هذا منديل. This is a handkerchief. هذا منديل. هذا المنديل. Okay. هذا المنديل. هذا المنديل وسخ. This handkerchief is clean. No, dirty. وسخ means dirty. So this handkerchief is dirty. هذا المنديل وسخ. هذا المنديل وسخ. Next is هذه حقيبة. This is a bag. حقيبة means bag. منديل means handkerchief. بيضة means egg. So هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. So you have this bag belongs to the teacher, or this is teacher's bag. This bag is for teacher, or this bag belongs to the teacher. هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. Easy, right? Is it clear to everyone? Anyone has any problem, questions? Please let me know. I hope this is clear. It's easy, right? Whatever we have studied, we are just practicing it. in the exercise. Okay, so I suppose that it's clear, inshallah. So let's move on. اقرأ المثال الآتي ثم كون أسئلة وأجوبة مثله. Read the following examples. Then change the question and answer based on that. Likewise. Okay. So you have misal is liman hadal kitab. Liman hadal kitabu. To whom does this book belongs to, or whose book is this for? So liman hadal kitabu. This is the question. So makawin as'ilatan wa ajwibatan. Then make the question and answer based on the misal, based on the example. Okay, so liman hadal kitabu. Hadal kitabu li Muhammadin. Hadal kitabu li Muhammadin. Liman, yes, Junaid. Liman hadal qalamu. So this would be the question, and the answer would be hadal qalamu li Abbasin. Hadal qalamu li Abbasin. Okay, is it clear? Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. What is the next one? Next is a key. So you need to make the sentence like liman hadal miftahu. Liman hadal miftahu. Miftahun is the key. So hadal miftahu. To whom does this key belong to? This key, this book, this pen, which is why we are using hadal kitab. I mean the badal, right? Liman hadal miftahu. To whom does this key belong to? هذا المفتاح لعلي. This key belongs to Ali. لعلي. Okay. I hope you all are able to follow it. If not, please let me know. Okay. Because this is exactly what we studied, and it's the exercises, the practice that we are doing. So it should not be a problem. Now, third one. You need to be careful because you have a feminine noun here. So liman hadhihi. So far we were doing liman hadha because these were masculine. So, as-sayyaratu is feminine. So you have liman hadhihi sayyaratu. To whom does this car belongs to? To whom does this car belong to? Liman hadhihi sayyaratu. Hiya lil mudiri is also correct, but we need to make sentences like what we have in the example. So you should make it like ha. Yeah, let me see some answers. هذه السيارة للمدير. هي للمدير is also correct. هي للمدير or هي لعباس, but we need to make it like in terms of badal, right? لمن هذه السيارة. هذه السيارة للمدير. هذه السيارة للمدير. This car belongs to the principal or director, anyone. Okay, is it clear? We need to make sentences the way it is mentioned in the example, which is why we are saying هذه السيارة. This is baqaratun, a cow. Okay, so liman hadhil baqaratu. Liman hadhil baqaratu. To whom does this cow belongs to? Hadhil baqaratu lil fallahi. Liman hadhil. Since you're, yeah. Liman hadhil baqaratu. Liman hadhil baqaratu. To whom does this car belongs to? So answer should be هذه البقرة للفلاح. هذه البقرة للفلاح. فلاح means the farmer. So this cow belongs to the farmer. لمن هذه البقرة؟ هذه البقرة للفلاح. Yes. Okay. Okay, moving on. You have a bag now. لمن هذه الحقيبة? Bag is also feminine. حقيبة ending with ta marbuta, so it's feminine in nature. So لمن هذه الحقيبة? To whom does this bag belongs to? Okay. I hope all of you are able to follow, because I am whosoever of you are answering, barakallah fi. So whosoever of you are not answering, at least you are able to follow, right? Okay. Because I want to make sure that all of us are on the same page. Okay. Liman hadhil haqibatu. Try to answer, okay? Because now it's I'm asking everyone. So I know it's sometimes tough to type in the chat boxes, but yeah, this will at least engage.
هذه الحقيبة للمدرس.
Yes. And what should be the answer? Oh yeah, you told me the answer. هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. بارك الله فيك عبد الله. Liman, then you have kursi. Okay. So liman hadihil kursiyu. Liman hadihil kursiyu would be the question, and the answer would be hadi. Yeah.
هو
Please.
لأمار.
No. We would like to answer what is mentioned in the example. Hadal kursi.
هذا الكرسي لأمار.
Yes. Hadal kursiyu li ammari. Correct. Okay. Hadal kursiyu li ammari. To whom does this chair belongs to? This chair is for Ammar, or this chair belongs to Ammar. Okay. Next is the hen. So what do we call hen in Arabic?
ديك.
Deekun is for rooster. Hen, we have another term. Dajajatun. Dajajatun. Okay. Kursi is masculine. Yes. Al kursi. Hadal kursiyu. Sorry if I said hadihi. Hadal kursiyu li ammari. Liman hadal kursiyu. Hadal kursiyu li ammari. If I said hadihi, I'm sorry about that. Liman. Now you have dajajatun. So since it's feminine, so liman hadihi. Liman hadihi dajajatu. Liman hadihi dajajatu.
هذه الدجاجة لبنت الفلاح.
لبنت الفلاح. هذه الدجاجة. So you need to consider this حروف الشمسية القمرية in mind while saying دجاجة. So هذه الدجاجة لبنت الفلاح. هذه الدجاجة لبنت الفلاح.
ढक्कन खोल के बाजू लेके पानी निकालो उससे ढक्कन का पानी फिर नहीं
هذه الدجاجة لبنت الفلاح. So لي بنت الفلاح. So لي is harf jar, binti is majrur, وهو مضاف, الفلاح is مضاف إليه مجرور, and the entire thing is covered here. Next is as-sa'atu, watch. So let me ask Brother Zia.
لمن هذه الساعة؟
Yes.
هذه الساعة هذه الساعة لابن المدير.
Yes. هذه الساعة لابن المدير. لابن. Consider you need to keep this rule in mind that ibnun and ismun start with hamzatul wasl. If it is preceded by a word, it gets dropped. So you have libnil mudiri. Okay. هذه الساعة لابن المدير. It's correct. بارك الله فيك. Okay. Next is a house. I hope you can see the house. So, لمن هذا البيت. لمن هذا البيت. To whom does this car belongs to? لمن هذا البيت. Yes. So هذا البيت. هذا البيت للطبيب. هذا البيت للطبيب. This house belongs to the doctor. This house belongs to the doctor. Okay. This house belongs to the doctor. Next you have what do you have? What do you call this in Arabic? Mil'aqatu. Mil'aqatu. Mil'aqatu means spoon. Mil'aqatu. Okay, please repeat the nine answer. هذا البيت. هذا البيت للطبيب. هذا البيت للطبيب. This house belongs to the doctor. هذا البيت للطبيب. هذا البيت للطبيب. Okay. هذا البيت للطبيب. Then you have لمن هذه الملعقة. لمن هذه الملعقة. To whom does this spoon belongs to? Whom does this spoon belongs to? لمن هذه الملعقة. To whom does this spoon belongs to? Answer is Junaid. هذه الملعقة للطبيب. I got the answer from Junaid and from other sisters. بارك الله فيك. Yes, it's correct. هذه الملعقة للطبيب. هذه الملعقة للطبيب. Okay. هذه الملعقة للطبيب. This spoon belongs to the doctor. And spoon means milaqa. Milaqa means spoon. Milaqatu. What do we call a pot in Arabic?
Kidron,
Yes. And is it masculine or feminine?
feminine.
Yes. Feminine. Tidrun is for pot and it's feminine in nature. Okay. So, okay, fine. We are done with this exercise. I hope it's clear. It's nothing but why feminine. Yeah, some nouns in Arabic. For example, what do we call sun in Arabic? Sun and moon. Sun. Junaid. No, not sun. Not sun as in sun. Sun and moon. Some Shamsun. A Shamsu or Shamsun. Okay. So do you know what that Shamsun is feminine in nature? Shamsun is feminine. So my question is, why is it feminine? Because this is what we learned from Arabs, that Al-Qamar is male, as in the moon is male, but Shams is female in Arabic. Okay. So likewise, Tedrun is also female in nature. We don't have any explanation for that. Like, okay, it does not have apparent sign as in Tamarbuta, or it belongs to some female name or something, but it's feminine in nature. So this is what we have learned. Likewise, Shamsun in Arabic, Shamsun, the sun is feminine in nature. Similarly, Ard, the earth is also feminine in nature. Ard. Similarly, Sama'un, sky is also feminine. There are few nouns which are feminine in nature. I'll share with you the list as well, so don't worry about that. I'll share my notes, inshallah, on how to identify what are the nouns, what are the nouns which are feminine in nature.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Oh, again we have exercises, is it? No. Okay, we are done with this exercise. Now, تأمل الأمثلة الآتية. ponder over the following examples. So we know al-baytu, if it is preceded by harf jar, it becomes fil bayti, min al-bayti, il al-bayti. So if you have a long vowel sign at the end, so it is also called alif al-maksura, or this alif here. So as I said, if you have a long vowel sign, it does not take any haraka and it will not change. So al-mustashfa meaning hospital. Okay, al-mustashfa is hospital. So al-mustashfa is marfuun. Okay, but you don't have a dhamma, apparent dhamma at the end. So it's, since it is alif al-maksura, which is nothing but it's read as mustashfa with alif. Okay, long alif. Mustashfa, America, Almania, and likewise. So nouns ending with this long vowel, which is alif al-maksura, so it does not change. So it will be fil mustashfa, min al-mustashfa, il al-mustashfa. Likewise, you have America, fi America, min America, ila America. Likewise, Almania, fi Almania, min Almania, ila Almania. Mustashfa meaning hospital. Mustashfa, hospital. It's a new word. So you have nursing home. So we call it as Mustashfal Wiladat. Mustashfal Wiladat, the nursing home where children are born. So Mustashfal Wiladat means nursing home. So Mustashfa in general is hospital. Amrika is again ending with this alif al-maksura, long vowel sign. It does not take any haraka, meaning fatadama kasra. But it depends on how is it coming. If it is in natural state, marfu. If it is preceded by harf jar, it is majroor, but you can't see the sign because it does not take any vowel sign at the end because it's alif. It's basically alif, so it's like mustashfa with alif. Similarly, America, Almania, and likewise. Okay, we have few more exercises. I hope we can finish it. There are 5 minutes left, so let us do it. It's called alif maksura. Is it called alif maksura? Yes. So you have the examples of this alif maksura where it does not change. So it's the same. هذا الطبيب من إنجلترا. This doctor is from England. هذا مبتدا. الطبيب is بدل. من is حرف جر. إنجلترا is مجرور. is to شبه جملة خبر. Okay. Next is ذهب. Okay, fine. You have fail now. Okay. Let me ask Junaid.
ذهب حامد إلى فرنسا.
So you have Hamid.
ذهب حامد إلى فرنسا.
Meaning?
Meaning Hamid went to France.
Yeah, Hamid went to France. So what is fail, file?
ذهب is fail and Hamidun is file.
Yeah.
إلى
And what is the property of the file? The file is always
معرفة.
no marfu.
مرفوع.
File is always marfu. Likewise, you have mubtada and khabar are always marfu. Similarly, file is always marfu.
إلى حرف جر.
Yeah.
فرنسا is اسم مجرور.
Yeah.
إلى فرنسا is شبه جملة خبر.
Not khabar because we are dealing with jumla fi'liya. So in jumla fi'liya, we will see fail and file. This is, we'll leave it as shibu jumla for now. Okay. Let me finish it. It's 9:57. This exercise is anyway done, but since it's 9:57 and people have some other engagements, so let's do this exercise tomorrow, inshallah. We can finish it quickly and then we'll start our next lesson with next topic. Okay. Any questions so far? Any doubts? Any queries? Any questions? Any queries? If not, we'll finish. We'll stop here because from 10 people have other engagements, classes, or anything else. So if there's anything, please let me know. And yeah, I'm somehow going through your questions, question papers. I'm replying. You may have got some reply from me. So it's just that it takes a bit time to go through all the question answer and to correct everyone's paper. So just give me some time, bear with me some time. I'll reply to each and every one of you, inshallah. Can you please repeat about Alif Maksura? So you have Alif al Maksura, or the long vowel sign here at the end of any noun. So it will not take any haraka because ya is called as weak letter. It does not take any haraka. Fatha, dhamma, kasra, or something like that. No, it's not ya, it's alif actually. Alif does not take any haraka. So al-mustashfa is considered as feminine in nature, such as we have Isa, right? We have Musa. So that have alif al-maksura at the end. So Musa will remain Musa throughout, even if it is come as fi Musa. So in a Quran you may have seen وَفِي مُوسَى إِذْ أَرْسَلْنَاهُ إِلَى فِرْعَوْنَ بِسُلْطَانٍ مُبِينٍ. Okay, in Surah Al-Dhariyat. So وَفِي مُوسَى وَفِي Isa. Similarly, Mustashfa, because it has alif al-maksura at the end and it does not take any harafa. Ya has no dots. So if ya has dots means that is ya. If it does not have any dot, it means it's alif. Alif. Okay. Ya does not, this ya, it's not ya, it's alif actually. So you may have seen something like this notation in Quran, call it as horizontal fatha or something. Yeah, vertical fatha. Okay. If you see a dot sign, that means it's ya. If it's not, then that means it's alif al-maksura. Is this only for alif? What condition ought to have? Oh, yeah.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes.
How do I determine when to write ya without doubts and when to write alif in the end? See, I see al-mustashfa. In the end, I see ya without doubts. That is
Yes.
not ya, but that is alif maksura only.
It depends
And
on the pronunciation. So if you have similarly for Isa, Musa, you are pronouncing as a long vowel sign, right? Long vowel sign. So if you have anything like atiya, so your ya is getting pronounced at the end. Let me think of an example.
Amrika, it is written alif, right, in the end?
Yeah.
So I'm confused when to write, that alif, and al-mustashfa, it is written as ya without doubts. So I'm confused when
It's
to write.
a Arabic proper name. I mean Arabic common noun, but these are not non-Arabic names. So in non-Arabic names, you usually see this. Almania, Al-Suisra, Inkaltarra. So these are non-Arab names. Mustashfa is an Arabic word.
Okay, Jazakallah khair.
Okay.
Ji. Barakallah fi.
So yeah, so if others wants to leave, yeah, we are done with the class, alhamdulillah. And so we'll stop here for now. If you don't have any further questions, we'll stop here. We'll do the remaining ones tomorrow, inshallah.